Okay, you guys, so this is a tutorial on how to slice a mango. Simple, fast, and easy. First and foremost, make sure your mango is at room temperature because cutting a cold piece of fruit is really difficult, trust me. So anyways, this is room temp. I'm gonna put the heavier side down as my base, and I'm gonna kind of just find center. So this is center. And then I'm just gonna go like maybe a half an inch, a quarter of an inch to the side of the center. Just gonna go down. You're cutting along the seed, which is great. So now I've got two beautiful sides, and then I have my middle part. And you're just gonna cut whatever bits you can around the seed because it's never gonna be perfect. Okay, so what we have are some little side pieces, but we have two beautiful sides, right? So then you wanna do like a crisscross effect. So we're just gonna go long ways. You wanna be comfortable with your knife, by the way. So holding the knife thumb here, forefinger here. And we're just gonna cut not all the way through, okay? So just kind of down, but don't go all the way through the skin, and just carefully create a crisscross. There you go. And then you can just pop it inside out. Look at that. So pretty and so easy. To deal with the scraps, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut down, but not all the way through. So you get the same kind of effect even with the scraps. But here it is. Isn't that so gorgeous? Again, you guys, once you do the crisscross cut and you've got it in this shape, I just take my hands and just push through because then you're getting as much mango as possible. You're not gonna cut yourself. Simplest way to cut up and prep a mango. A mango right there, cut up, part knife, part hands. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.